Friends, today we are going to study the next presentation lesson in the presentation course, that is lesson number 4, and you are going to talk about my favorite place. So I am going to give you a technique how to talk about your favorite place. So whenever you want to talk about your favorite place, you are going to use simple present tense to talk about your favorite place. So let's do the presentation. Just repeat after me and learn to do the presentations. Hello everyone. Thank you for having me. My name is Sunil Sharma and I am going to be speaking to you today about my favorite place. The library is my favorite place in Pune University because it meets almost all my needs. I stay in the library for 1 or 2 hours when I have any free time between classes. There are so many books and latest journals from all kinds of science and technology fields, which are great useful for academic researches. I can always find what I want to read or use in my assignments from the shelves. There are also some CDs and videos which provide multimedia learning and entertainment. There are all kinds of computers available in library. I can either find a computer in the computer rooms or easily borrow and return a mini laptop from library using my student ID card. I can also bring my own laptop and enjoy the free Wi-Fi in the library environment. Printers are available on every floor. They allow students to print assignments and other handouts. For copy or scan use. There is a big print room on the 3rd floor. Library is a good place for both group and individual use. It is always a good idea for group members to book a room and gather there. The rooms are small but functional. Group members can discuss assignments, make a PowerPoint presentation, practice presentations, and do all kinds of things together. However, as library is such a big and bright place, I always feel comfortable in there no matter what I am doing. That's all. Thank you.